Hey everyone, it's Mary from Joyful and Mary Quilting. I would like to invite you to something a little different from our usual Joyful and Mary Quilting YouTube live sessions. And I'll also offer you a free pattern just for joining me. Now, a lot of you know I'm a night owl, and I thought rather than just sitting in front of the television watching TV all evening, I really wanted to be quilting, and I thought it would be even better to be quilting with friends. So I'd like to invite you to join me on August 28th at 11 p.m. Central Time for our very first Joyful and Mary Quilting Night Owl Hangout. Watch our YouTube live and quilt while I'm quilting. You can ask questions, you can participate in the chat, or maybe you can just watch me working on the project that I'm working on. And the free pattern that I have to offer you, I'm really excited about. It's this little candle mat. It's called a candle cozy mat and has a hidden surprise inside that I'm going to show you how to make. It will fit a large 3-inch candle, or it will fit one of your votive candles. It's really cute, makes a really great favor or a great gift. So I hope I see you Monday night, August 28th at 11 p.m. Central Time for the first of many Night Owl Hangouts. See you then.